Creative digital designs. In this video, I'm going to be going over how you can customize your print on demand orders in Printify. So we're going to go ahead and get to it. So when you're in here, you want to start with, of course, going over to their catalog and picking which product you're going to be creating and adding your design, as well as what you'll add your customization to. As you can see, they have t-shirts, clothing, beauty, accessories, home and living. So once you have figured out how to your niche and the product that you're going to be doing and you have designed it, now we can go to the step where you can be able to add the personalization. So we're going to go over here. And so for this example, let's just say we're going to do ornaments because that's coming up. You can look here and see that they have the pricing, and then they tell you what the pricing is if you sign up with Printify, their monthly fee. But if not, you're going to go with the first USD price, and that will be the cost to print. And you're going to go ahead and through and select the item that you want to go ahead and design. So for this purpose, we see all of the examples for the ornaments. We're going to go ahead and click here. Certain items, they say early access. If you select the early access one, you won't have access to mock-ups, but you will be one of the few people to try out these different designs. As you can see, no preview or pre-made mock-ups with your design, but you'll be able to sell. So you're going to go ahead and hit start designing. As you can see here, right here on the top, it pops up. It says, let customers personalize your design. Start with one of our recommended design templates. So if you're a beginner, this may be easier. You can go ahead and use one of their templates. As you can see here, they're showing you that you can replace RP with the 20s, 30s, 40s, Papa, Mama at the time of the birthday due. So they have these templates here that you can use on your designs that you can go ahead and they can get switched out. So let's say we use this one, cruising into your 20s or your 60s, I should say. You're going to go ahead and shrink it down to fit the design, and all they would have to change out is the 60 would be the one that's going to be edited out. You can also go over here and update the fonts if you would like. That's in this template. You can select the background color. So you can only select one at a time. Let's see your variants. We have options where it can be a heart, oval, or a star. So of course, for each one, you would have to resize it. So we're going to go back here. It says make a specific design for the star. I'm going to go ahead and highlight everything like I just did. And let's see here. So you're going to go ahead and highlight all of the text, and what you're going to do is use this arrow to bring it down into your white space, which is where the print space is at. And then you're going to shrink it down all the way until it's in the space. And you can do that for each one. So if you like how this looks already, you can keep it as is. For the heart, we can make a specific design for the heart, highlight it, all the text, and bring it in. And so this is how you could do it. And you got to make sure that you keep it in the print area. And if you're creating a design on Canva, you can go ahead and type this size in on Canva and make sure that your design is within this size. That way, when you upload it, it will be the correct size. As you can also, when you're starting out, you can hit personalize over here. And this is where they have the templates that you can have. Or you can add this personalizable text. So for the purposes of this video, this particular product that I chose does not have a preview, but because this video is all about personalization, I'm just going to keep going, and I might go back and show you how it would look if there was preview. So we're going to go ahead and hit save product. And then you're going to go on to the next step, which is setting up your title, your description. So they do have these new features where you can generate with AI. And so you can go ahead and select that, and you can give it some details about what your product is about. So for this particular ornament, we might say birthday for grandma, birthday for mom, depending on what design you're creating. You're going to go ahead and say, or ornament for, they kind of gave you some ideas as well. Yeah, so after it gives you it, as you can see, it gave you a description, it gave you some tags. You, of course, can go edit these on your Etsy account once it's uploaded. And right here, we have enable personalization. So right here, you can add your instructions. It says, please add the text you want printed on your product. Reach out to directly for additional requests. So you can update that or keep that the same. You can also have a character limit for the amount of characters they can use. And then you're going to go ahead and set up the rest of your details, whether you're going to offer free shipping, and they let you know that you'll have to update your pricing if you do offer free shipping, because right now your profit is at 0. So that means you'll need to increase the price of your ornament right now if you're offering free shipping. If you're not, your profit is $5.15 at this current price of 13. So you'll need to make sure that you update that as well. And then all you have to do is make sure that you want everything visible, and you'll hit publish. And now your product on Etsy will have the option for them to be personalized, and you can create different mock-ups as well on here to show or where they'll, so basically the person will be updating their age. So for this description, you would say, please add the age that the person is turning. And so that is how you set up the personalization in Printify to connect to your Etsy store. If you don't already have your Etsy store connected, I do have a Printify guide for beginners that you can watch on my channel. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want me to cover next. And please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a video. And have a great day.